Hey guys, quick property management tip for you. So we always recommend that you stagger your viewings or showings for a property. So I very rarely would go out to do a showing for just one person. So I can tell you exactly why. I just left doing a showing today, this afternoon, and the first people that showed up, hang on, I'm just gonna turn my car off. The first people that showed up, or who called me on Thursday and wanted a showing for today, I set them for a 2 o'clock showing. Now, I did that because I liked them. I was willing to show them the place. However, my main objective now, from Thursday to Saturday, was to get more people in that door at the exact same time. Well, not exact, 15 minutes apart. So I upped my advertising. I bumped any ads that I had. I did anything that I could to get more people coming. Since I'm going to be out anyways, I want to do one showing per place. Now, back in the hot market that we had here, that was normal, one showing. So I guess that's what I learned that from. I can't believe when I have to go out to do a showing more than 2 or even 3 times, drives me nuts. So what we do though is we stagger them. So if I found someone that was coming, so we said yes to the 2 o'clock people. If I found someone that I really liked and really wanted, after previewing them on the phone, wanted them to take the place, I'll give them the 1:45 slot. So I try to stagger them to being my first person that I like in first. And if it's someone I don't like so much, they can have a later spot. So for example, in today's case, I had a 2, a 2:15, and a 2:30, all of which sounded great. However, the 2:15 person, I always ask everyone to confirm with me 2 hours ahead, so that I know. At 12:15, the 2:15 person had not confirmed by text. So I tell them straight up, if you don't confirm with me, I'll assume something came up. So I called the 2:30 or text her and said, hey, you can come a bit early if you want. So what that did was it put a 2 o'clock and a 2:15. It created a scarcity. They both knew, they both saw each other. They both were actually there both early at 10 to 2. And they both knew that this place was now hot commodity. So I ended up walking away with 2 really good applications. It's actually going to be a tough choice as to which one we actually take. But half the reason why that happened was because they both felt if they didn't apply for it right then, the first people didn't apply for it right then, they might not get the opportunity to. So then when the second people came along, I just said, you know what, these guys do plan on applying. However, I'll run your application in the next hour, and I can tell you whether or not their application goes through, so you can put in a backup. And again, that scarcity was there, so I got 2 really good applications. So stagger your appointments. Try not to go out just for one showing. Do whatever you can to get more. And also keep your showings close together. So this was Thursday. They offered to see it even on Sunday. I'm like, no, let's do it Saturday. I gave myself enough time to get extra people to the showing to create that scarcity, but not so much time that they get disinterested or find something else or whatever it might be. So strike when the iron's hot, when they're interested, try to get them in fairly quick, and stagger it so that it's a hot commodity. So yeah, property tip for the day.